Morning all. It's been a while since I did an update on ClickASnap, so I'm going to do one today. But we've got some exciting news. The shop has been redone and it's very, very, very close to being sent out to the normal site. The differences are quite dramatic, to be totally honest. It's going to make the buying experience on the site, I think, a little bit better. But it'll also make the shop itself look a little bit cleaner, and maybe, if you want to really be funny about it, a bit more professional. That's my opinion. So I'm on the old site, well, I'm on the main site, and if you click into the shop, I'm just going to show you what it used to look like to start with. We probably all know this, but at least then you're going to see a direct comparison to the new. I'm in my profile, so I don't get shouted at for, no, you've done his profile. Anyway, so this is the old shop. As you can see, loads of images, loads of different things. You can click on whatever you want to, digital images, featured stuff. The new one, you click on the shop, and basically this is the new bit. So all the bits have gone from the top, as you can tell. You're allowed to choose what you want, so unclick what you want, update it, it'll update. So these are all the download images, or you can go to gifts, press that again. Don't worry about this. I am on the beta site and it will take a little bit longer because it doesn't have as much going through it. If anyone knows about websites, you'll understand what I mean. It's just not going to be as quick. So it looks nicer. Photographic prints, you click on it, like I said, and it just totally looks really nice. Looks a lot better than it did. And that's about it, guys and guys. But you can click in an image on the photographic prints. Like I say, this isn't as quick as what it will be on the main site. Click on the image, comes up, you can go into gifts and they come up. These images I think are going to be reduced from all accounts. I don't think they need to be there. You can see what it is by what it says at the bottom, but the pricing's there so you can have a look at them. Click on an image, add it to the cart, and then if you want to, I think the thing I like about this is you can play with it. So if you want it, say you wanted it just a little bit tighter, you can just pull it in a little bit tighter, move it over. You know what I mean? You can actually turn it round if you needed to, if you wanted it portrait, and then you just add it to the cart. So that's the new shop. I think it's going to make the buying experience a lot better for customers to come into. There's also going to be an update, hopefully in the next month-ish, of automatic product selection. So basically what that means is you'll set them out as you upload a photo. The photo would automatically be populated to the things that you want to sell for that photo. So prints, gifts, whatever. So that's the shop. Now, as in how things are going, how am I doing making money? Well, let's have a look. So we're now on day 125. We've made $5.79 from clicks or views alone, and then I've made £9.30 on sales, which are 2 download sales. Now, I haven't uploaded any photos really for the last, I don't know, 2 weeks or so, nearly a month, 3 weeks even, because unfortunately, because of the weather, it's been a bit rubbish and life gets in the way, hectic, around home, so unfortunately this is another reason why I haven't been able to do a video. But as you can see, I'm not sharing anything. The actual site is just sharing a few things for me. So when I say that, and I'm going to do some tutorials on stuff like this, so for the new users, they can see what happens and where it goes. So as you can see, because I'm a pro seller or pro subscriber, whichever way you want to put it, it will automatically post to my photographic page on Facebook or to my Twitter account. So on Twitter it posts every hour, and on my photographic page it posts every 8 hours. So it'll randomly select a photo and post them over, which is brilliant. It saves me having to do it. If you go onto Twitter, you'll find that there's a lot of people on there who use ClickASnap. If you start following people and start liking and retweeting their things, they'll do the same. So it's just more exposure. And if you're like me, I don't have a lot of followers or people who subscribe or whatever on Twitter. It's just more eyes on photographs that you tweet or the site tweets for you. So I think that's a good way to do it as well. But there's nothing to stop you from doing this automatically for yourself and sharing it to Twitter and what have you. But again, I'll show you how to be able to do that on the low subscriptions or the free subscription, if you want to call it a subscription free account, we'll call it, on the free account. Well, anyway guys, that's the video for today. Like, share, subscribe, all helpful for me and the site. Keep on watching. See you later. Bye now.